Okay, so we're unboxing Escopeta Ergan, which is my dad bought and my mom picked it up because it just arrived it. My mom is opening it today. Oh, dyan. Pag sumabog yan, takot yan. And oh my God.
Balance na.
Something ba yan to?
Yung paglagyan ng hangin.
Here is all the piece of the gun. Oh, na yata.
Nabubuhid yun o nina. Yan. Nahihila yan. Yan. Apakan mo kanyan. Igagawin mo ng malalakas. Pero hindi ko kaya yan. Sila.
Ito?
Buyo din mo ito.
Yung sobrang lakas?
Okay, we're gonna fix it later.
Saan may tatapak?
Dito.
Ano yun? Tatapakan mo to, tapos hihilain mo?
Okay, that's it for today. Bye!